Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Faiza. I am your maths teacher. We have done 2 chapters in previous lectures. Now let's start chapter number 3, factors and multiple, which is on book page number 23. To understand main topic, that is divisibility rules, first understand what is the difference between factors and multiple. This you have already learned in junior classes. What is factor? A factor is a number which divides the dividend completely without leaving remainder. For example, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Why these are factors? These are factors because 6 is divisible by 1. 1 6 are 6. 6 is also divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6 is also divisible by 6, that is 6 1s are 6. That's why we can say that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are factors of 6. Now, next is multiples. What are multiples? Multiples of a number are found by multiplying that number by another number. Or simply we can say that in multiples we read table. For example, if you have to find the multiple of 2, then read table of 2. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, up to so on. And if you have to find the multiples of 4, then read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, up to so on. Now, the next is about prime numbers and composite number. These numbers already you have learned in junior classes. What are prime numbers? Numbers having 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called prime number. First prime number is 2. 3, 5, 7. Why 2 is a prime number? Because 2 has just 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. 2 is divisible by 1. 1 2s are 2. 2 is divisible by itself, that is 2 1s are 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. Next is composite number. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, up to so on are called composite number. First composite number is 4. Why 4 is a composite number? Because it has more than 2 factors. 4 is divisible by 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. And third, 4 is also divisible by 4. That is 4 1s are 4. That's why this is composite number. So the numbers having just 2 factors, 1 and itself, are prime number, and the number having more than 2 factors are called composite number. The next is even numbers and prime numbers. Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, up to so on. And the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 are called odd numbers. The number which are divisible by 2 are called even number, and the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Now come to the main topic, which is divisibility rule. What is divisibility rule? Rule is, without performing division, check whether the number is completely divisible or not, or you can say that without performing division, finding divisor having remainder equals to 0. Now, the first rule is rule of 2. Rule of 2 is, if last digit is even, means if last digit is divisible by 2, this is called even. For example, 72. In example 72, the last digit is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. That's why we can say that 72 is divisible by 2. Look at the another example, 366. In this example, the last digit is 6. 6 is divisible by 2. That is 2 3s are 6. That's why 366 is divisible by 2. Same in the case in 518. The unit digit is 8. That's why 518 is divisible by 2. The next rule is rule of 3. Rule of 3 is if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, 621. In example 621, how many digits? There are 3 digits in 621. So sum of its digit means add these 3 digits. 6 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 621 is divisible by 3. Same in the case in 873. Add all these 3 digits. The answer is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Now, the next is rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last 2 digits are either 0 or divisible by 4. For example, 9128. In this example, the last 2 digits are 28. 28 is divisible by 4. 4 sevens are 28. That's why we can say that 9128 is divisible by 4. What is the rule of 4? That the last 2 digits are either 0 or divisible by 4. The next is rule of 5. This is very simple rule. If the last digit is either 5 or 0. For example, 735. In 735, the last digit is 5. That's why we can say that 735 is divisible by 5. In next example, 9350, the last digit is 0. That's why we can say that 9350 is divisible by 5. This is all about divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to learn all these divisibility rules. So your homework is exercise 3.1, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This question is related to divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next is exercise 3.2, just question number 1. Thank you.